Basic transformation. Translation. Translation involves an object from one location to another in a specified direction. In 2D space, a translation involves shifting points by certain amounts along the x and y axis. In 3D space, translation additionally moves points along the z-axis. Rotation. Rotation changes the orientation of an object around a specified axis or point. In 2D, rotation typically occurs around the origin, while in 3D, rotations can occur around any axis passing through the origin. Scaling. Scaling modifies the size of an object along its axis. In 2D, scaling changes with length and height, while in 3D, scaling affects width, height, and depth. Transformations for complex movements. Complex movements in computer graphics often involve combining multiple basic informations such as translation, rotation, and scaling. By chaining these transformations together or applying them in sequence, you can achieve a wide range of complex movements and animations. Sequence of transformations. You can achieve complex movements by applying multiple transformations in sequence. For example, to make an object move along a curved path, you can break down movement into smaller segments and apply translations and rotations to each segment in sequence. Hierarchy or transformation. Complex movements can be modeled using a hierarchical structures of transformations. Each object in the scene can have its own local transformation relative to its parent object's coordinate system. Interpolation. Interpolation techniques such as linear interpolation or LERP or spherical linear interpolation (SLERP) can be used to smoothly transition between a different transformation or over time. Keyframe animation. Keyframe animation involves specifying key poses or keyframes and different points in time and interpolation between them to create smooth animations. Path following. Objects can be made to follow predefined paths or trajectories using transformations. Physics-based simulation. Complex movements can also be simulated using physics-based techniques such as rigid body dynamics, particle system, or cloud simulation. Inverse kinematic or IK. Inverse kinematic is used to control the movement of articulated structures like humanoids' robotic arms by specifying the desired and effector position and calculating the point angles required to achieve that position. Advanced transformation. Perspective. Perspective transformation is a more advanced geometric transformation commonly used in computer graphics to project 3D scenes onto a 2D plane, simulating the perspective view observed by a camera or a observer. This transformation is essential for creating realistic images and scenes with depth perception. Perspective projection. Perspective projection simulates how objects appear smaller as they move farther away from the viewer, converging towards a vanishing point. In perspective projection, objects that are closer to the observer appear larger than those farther away, creating the illusion of depth. Projection matrix. The perspective transformation is typically represented by a projection matrix. This matrix transforms 3D coordinates to 2D coordinates, applying the perspective effect. Perspective division. After applying the projection matrix to the 3D coordinates of objects in the scene, the resulting coordinates are homogeneous coordinates. To obtain the final 2D screen coordinates, perspective division is performed by dividing the x, y, and z components of the transformed coordinates by the w component. Viewport transformation. After perspective projection and clipping, the normalized device coordinates or NDC are mapped onto the screen or viewport. This involves scaling and translating the NDC coordinates to map them onto the screen pixels or image coordinates. Clipping. Clipping is an essential step in perspective projection to ensure that objects outside the view, frustum, the visible region of the scene, are not rendered. Clipping involves removing or clipping objects and geometry that are outside the bounds defined by the near and far clipping planes.